I usually wake up at 6:30 and get up out of bed. I have a shower and think of the day ahead. Then I make my breakfast. It's always toast and tea. When I leave home, it's 7:30. I catch the bus to work. Sometimes I go by car. I rarely ride my bike because it's just too far. I get to work at 8:30. I have lunch from 1 till 2. I may leave work at 6 in the evening. There's always a lot to do. When I get home, I occasionally read the newspaper, or I might watch TV. At 7:15 I have my dinner. I'm very hungry. After dinner I walk the dog. We often go to the park. I let it off its lead and it runs around in the dark. When I get home, I watch more TV, or maybe I'll listen to some music on the stereo until I'm sleepy.